Good morning, everybody. Day 2 of my pressure washing the driveway with this Ryobi 3200 PSI 2.3 gallon per minute. My surface cleaner. Well, day 2, the results are in for this Ryobi pressure washer. Y'all look at my driveway and tell me what y'all think. And run and go get you one if you think it's a good one. All the sunlight, but y'all can see it. The driveway was filthy, y'all. Look at it now. Whew. Dang. So that pressure washer, it passed the test. Ryobi 3200 PSI. The surface cleaner. Gas. Subscribe, comment down below on what y'all think.